Alright, so I know I'm small, but I'm not that small. Yeah, I fudged up a little bit. For some reason I got into my head that the height up to the underside of that cabinet was going to be about 74 centimetres or 740 millimetres. But I was wrong. The 74 centimetres is from the wall out. My bad, never mind. So what I've decided to do is build sort of a torsion box that's going to be sitting on top of the cabinet what I've just built, and then the table saw is then going to sit on top of that. What a brat! So what's the old saying? Measure twice, cut once? Yeah. Oh well, you live and learn. Watch this! Cast iron that. So there you go, that's that torsion box that I just said. It's only very simple. I may make it into drawers, more drawers. There's going to be drawers here as well, two up and down, and this is going to be just a cupboard for the welding stuff. But because we added this torsion box, I can no longer put the table saw back under the miter saw station with the extraction hood on or the fence in place. So I'll just quickly show you how I do that now. There you go. Quite simple. So now the table's built, I'm going to be moving on to the drawers. So I've cut all the pieces and I've labelled them up so I know exactly what needs to go where. So it's only a matter of just gluing and pinning at the moment, and then I need to make some drawer bottoms, which is going to be 12mm ply, and they're just going to be nice and simple drawers with an MDF front. And here it is, the final product. I cannot tell you how happy I am how this turned out. It is absolutely fantastic. My last table saw and the stand that I made for it, I was very sloppy. I should have finished it, but over the time I just didn't bother. But with this one, I took my time, I made plans for it so I knew exactly what I was going to be ending up with, and I cannot tell you how happy. I mean, the one thing that you know, obviously, I've got a small shop, so the one key thing that I needed at all times was more space. So everything that I make, including the router table, the miter saw, everything has space included into it. So with this one, where we made the extra torsion box, I've made that as I did say, into more drawers. So, working from the right to left, I've got the main cupboard here with all my welding bits and pieces. It's just all in the box so it's nice and tidy. On the torsion box, we've got all the drawers here, and they're approximately about 470mm in depth. And I've got 3 of those. And then down here, these ones are a little bit deeper. They go all the way. And at the moment, I just filled them up with bits and bobs. Some of them have got wood in them, and some of the others have got all the extra accessories that came with the saw. So for this drawer, I put in all the pieces that make up the stand. And when it comes to putting the saw away, it's nice and simple. It's as easy as that. So thank you once again for checking out this video, and if you've liked it, please give me the thumbs up down below. Please comment what you liked about it and what you didn't like, what you'd improve on. And if you haven't already, please do click that subscribe button. You'll be the first to hear of all my latest videos that I put out. And if you do go ahead and purchase a saw, then please let me know. Let me know what you think, what you like about it and what you don't like. And as always with all my builds, I'm going to give you free plans. So down below in the description, I'll leave you a link to my Facebook page where I have a download link straight to all the free plans. So until the next time, I'll see you soon.